The Kunlun bridge building machine is really an amazing project. It is now the largest bridge building machine in the world. Its deadweight and load capacity both reach 1,000 tons, which is extremely powerful. The Kunlun made its first appearance in the Hangzhou Bay section of the Fuzhou-Xiamen high-speed railway, where there is also a section that crosses the sea. You can imagine how spectacular this scene is. Traditional bridge building machines can only build box girders up to 32 meters long, while the Kunlun can build box girders up to 40 meters long and weighing 1,000 tons. In this way, 6 fewer bridge piers can be built for each kilometer of railway construction, which not only greatly shortens the construction period, but also saves more than 7 million yuan in construction costs. Moreover, the splicing of box girders is reduced, and the subsequent high-speed rail will be more stable, which is really killing two birds with one stone. The Kunlun is 116 meters long and has 88 wheels, including 40 in the front, 20 on each side, and 48 in the back, 24 on each side. What's more special is that the rear wheels can turn, so that with the large bearings of the bridge erection machine, the position can be fine-tuned to ensure the accuracy of the erection. During the construction process, the gantry crane will first lift the prefabricated concrete box beam to the 35-meter high bridge deck, and then the Kunlun will adjust to the appropriate position to put the beam on. The so-called beam putting is to connect the prefabricated box beam to the Kunlun through bolts, and the winch will tighten the box beam so that the Kunlun can drive to the erection site. After arriving at the site, the folding column in front must first be unfolded and supported on the pier, so that the front wheel can be lifted up and the Kunlun can continue to move forward. When the position is appropriate, the middle column will also be supported on the bridge deck, and the front freed column will continue to move forward to support the next pier. Then, the middle column is lifted, and the bridge erection machine can continue to move forward. When the Kunlun reaches the optimal position of 42.5 meters, the beam can be dropped. The winch will smoothly place the box girder on the pier, and the error of the whole process will not exceed 0.5 centimeters, which is really a perfect fit. The workers will quickly remove the connecting screws, and the box girder will be perfectly erected. Through this process, we can see how ingenious the design and structure of the Kunlun are. It is a single-beam bridge erecting machine. It only needs to support the front column and drop the beam when it reaches the position. Compared with traditional bridge erecting machines, the Kunlun is faster and simpler to construct. However, it is indeed a big challenge to develop such an efficient bridge erecting machine. More importantly, the Kunlun can not only erect 40-meter box girders, but also compatible with traditional 24-meter and 32-meter box girders. This landmark building standing on the bank of Tuojiang River is really shocking. It not only broke the Guinness World Record, but also became the widest concrete main beam in the bridge industry, with a width of 79 meters, exceeding the long-lived bridge in Egypt. This bridge is the east extension of Capital Avenue. The design inspiration comes from the sunbird and the hibiscus flower of Chengdu. The shape is like a blooming bud, beautiful and meaningful. With a total length of 1,010 meters and a main tower height of 159 meters, it will greatly contribute to the economic development of the Chengdu-Chongqing area after completion and become an important artery for urban linkage. This bridge is not only a masterpiece of engineering technology, but also a perfect combination of culture and nature, showing the charm of modern urban construction. Chengdu Kunming Railway, known as the most tragic railway in China, is really a legend. The process of building this railway was extremely difficult. More than 300,000 workers took 13 years, and one soldier died every 500 meters. After its completion, it was praised by the United Nations as one of the 3 great miracles of human conquest of nature in the 20th century, which is really worthy of the name. The Chengdu Kunming Railway extends from Chengdu to Kunming, with a total length of 1,096 kilometers, crossing mountains and ridges, crossing ditches and rivers. The entire line is winding and includes 427 tunnels and 991 bridges. What is more serious is that more than 500 kilometers of the line are located in the 7 to 9 degree earthquake zone, and the challenge can be imagined. At that time, the technical conditions were very limited, and many jobs could only rely on manual labor. Even machines weighing several tons needed to be carried up the mountain. The construction road conditions were also very bad. In places that were too narrow, someone accidentally fell off the cliff, and the people behind continued to make up. The workers also had to face natural disasters such as rock bursts and landslides at any time. In particular, when building the Shamala tunnel, 12,000 tons of water gushed out overnight. The workers had to use stones, sand, and even their own bodies to block the water flow and continue construction. It was with their fearless spirit and tenacious will that the ancestors finally built this railway that was once considered impossible. Today, the Chengdu-Kunming Railway has been open to traffic for more than 50 years, and the beautiful scenery and historical significance along the line make people feel proud. The Kunlun bridge building machine is an amazing project independently developed by China. It really reduces the difficulty of bridge building. Imagine that building a bridge is as simple as building blocks. The emergence of this machine has brought revolutionary changes to our railway construction. It is 116 meters long and weighs 967 tons. It sounds like a behemoth, but it is this giant that makes our infrastructure construction more efficient. Did you know? This bridge building machine is equipped with 84 giant wheels, which can move freely on different terrains. It has strong support capacity and can easily lift box girders weighing up to 1,000 tons. This design allows it to quickly and accurately place box girders in the predetermined position during railway construction, which is really amazingly efficient. In the past, building a bridge may require a lot of manpower and time, but now with the Kunlun, everything has become much easier. What's more worth mentioning is that the Kunlun can work normally in all kinds of extreme weather. Whether it is an environment of -20 degrees or +50 degrees, it can operate stably and even withstand a force 7 wind. This strong adaptability allows it to be used in different regions and under different climatic conditions, greatly expanding the possibilities of engineering construction. It is said that every time we build a 30-kilometer railway, we can save hundreds of millions of yuan in construction costs. This is undoubtedly a huge economic benefit for the country's infrastructure construction. Think about it, this not only improves efficiency, but also reduces costs, giving us more possibilities in future construction projects. The advent of the Kunlun has shown the world the strength and wisdom of Made in China. It is not just a machine, but also the result of the hard work of Chinese engineers. Whenever I see it working on the construction site, I can't help but feel proud of our country's scientific and technological progress. This technology not only makes our infrastructure construction faster and more economical, but also shows the international community China's rise in the field of high technology. In short, the success of the Kunlun bridge building machine is definitely a gorgeous appearance of Made in China, and it makes us believe that future construction will be better.